Hi friends, what's up? This is K from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to perfectly schedule messages in iOS 18 on your iPhone. Have you ever forgotten to wish your family or friends on an auspicious occasion and felt disappointed for not having a message scheduling feature in the Apple Messages app on your iPhone? Well, if the answer is in the affirmative, Apple has eventually listened to your wish. With the introduction of iOS 18, you can finally schedule a message on your iPhone. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. It's worth pointing out upfront that the ability to schedule a message is restricted to blue bubbles. That means you can't use it for SMS aka green bubbles, or for that matter send a scheduled message to non-Apple device users like Android or Windows. To get started, you have to ensure that your iPhone is running iOS 18 or later. After that, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Now head over to a conversation thread. Then tap on the text field and type in a message as usual. Then you have to tap on the plus button that shows to the left of the text field. Then you have to select the More option in the vertical menu that shows up. After that, select the Send Later option in the menu, and then you have to perfectly adjust the date and time as per your need. And once you have scheduled your iMessage, hit the upward arrow and you are all set. Your scheduled message will now show up right above the text field. Later, if you ever want to change the date and time of a scheduled message, you can do so without any hassle either. To do so, just head over to the Apple Messages app and then open the conversation thread in question. After that, tap on the tiny clock icon showing on your scheduled iMessage and then make the needed changes. But what if you happen to change your mind later and want to get rid of the scheduled message or no longer wish to send it? Well, you can do so without any hassle either. Just open the Apple Messages app on your iPhone, then navigate to the conversation thread in question, and then tap on the X button right next to the scheduled message and confirm the action, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily schedule messages on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.